Where could they be? Did you check your bunny?
His shirt looks kind of lumpy.
Yeah.
That bunny. Your Zoe bunny.
Check his shirt. Huh. What is that? Oh, man. You found it.
He's put right in his book, and my bunny's right in my bunny's shirt.
That Easter bunny. He's funny.
That Easter bunny was, don't put it in there. It's supposed to put it here.
Yep.
I see.
What do you see? What's in here?
Oh, no, there's
Look from this side.
this side.
Oh, you found it.
Let's get oh, no, there's some over here. Please, something.
Keep looking. Keep looking with Mommy.
I got something here.
Good job.
Maybe he wanted to play in your kitchen
Oh, yeah.
and wash something off in the sink.
Did you find another one?
There's something in there.
Oh, come show me. Oh, yep, there's something in there.
Okay.
Okay. What's
Gotta go this way.
look up and down. Oh, you found one. All right.
What about some tea? Maybe he wanted to have some tea in your kitchen.
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
oh my goodness.
Go see if you made some tea in there. No, the one on the top, the teapot on top of the stove.
Rose. I don't see one.
You don't see that teapot on the stove?
What's in there?
I don't know. You better check. Maybe you put one in there.
That could.
I hear something.
Wow.
We need to use Dylan's basket.
Is it